Okay, lawn amateurs, as you can see here, I have 6 products lined up that is going to help you keep your yard weed free so you can enjoy that beautiful grass you've been growing all year. Stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see here, I have these 6 products lined up. Well, 7 if you include the one behind the Spectracide weed stop for lawns. But I just got all these products that I've purchased personally with my own money. No one's a sponsor, and I've used in the past and had pretty much success with all of them. Some of them work faster than the others, so I don't want to go over that. But for the most part, all of them pretty much do their job, and they do what they say they're gonna do. It's going to take more than one application with all of these products. None of them are 100% efficient and effective on the first go around. So it is a process where you have to actually, gonna have to recoat and get on like a little schedule with fighting off weeds. So, but for the most part, these products are here that you see, you're gonna see in any of your big box stores like Walmart, Lowe's, or Home Depot. These products are very accessible. They're fairly priced, and pretty much, these are your basically your basic lawn weed killers, and so I'm gonna show you, because this is what I do. I use these products for my own lawn and stuff like that, and everybody doesn't have big money to spend on basically weed killer stuff, the professional grade stuff. So I'm going to show you how these are the products I use in my lawn. As you can see in my previous videos, I was redoing my lawn, and I did a whole lawn overhaul if you want to go check that out. But these are the products I'm going to use when I have trouble with weeds. But you're going to start the process early. You're not going to wait till the weeds get full bloom and get basically grown into that final stage of being a weed plant. You're gonna use these products early on to fight it off, because that's what these products do. Now, for the professional grade products, those are basically the products that you can use when you have the weeds are full germinated at their fullest extent, their final stage. But they're gonna work better than these products. These products here range from maybe $15 all the way down to about $5. So those products, those professional grade products, go for about $100 a bottle. A lot of people don't have that money to spend on just weed killer stuff. So this is where these products come in at. So you have your basic Roundup product here. This product basically, it kills yellow nutsedge here. Also kills crabgrass, dandelions, clovers, yellow nutsedge down here. Basically what this is. But this is a refill bottle. I use this in my spray can container. This is already a pre-mixed formula. It's ready to use, and you just put it in your sprayer pump, and you'll go around your yard, and maybe if you want a blanket spray or maybe spot spray, anything of that nature, this is what this product does. This product comes in many forms. Also, it comes in a concentrated bottle, and it also comes in a hose connected bottle where you can use your hose and spray down your lawn like that. I picked this product up because I have a spray pump, so I use this product on my lawn there, out of the spray pump. Next, you got your Spectracide. This product here, I would probably say, is probably the most maybe popular out of all 6 of these items. I see a lot of people use this Spectracide, and it gets great results. I've used it a lot. It has the crabgrass killer, that also kills yellow nutsedge also. You'll get visual results in 8 hours, it's saying, and plus it kills over 250 types of other weeds. Now let me bring the bottle closer. This is a concentrated bottle, so you will mix this one in your pump sprayer also. Depending on how much you want to use, you'll read the directions. This bottle treats up to about 5,000 square feet, and pretty much that's That's what I use. Okay, and this bottle also comes in other forms. It comes in a hose connected bottle, the one like I got in the back here. It comes in a pump sprayer of its own type of bottle and the concentrate bottle. So these two products here are pretty equal in what they kill, because they both do yellow nut sedge and they both kill crabgrass. Those two, the nut sedge and the crabgrass, are probably two of the most pesky weeds that you can find in a lawn. So any product that's killing, that has the formula to kill nut sedge and crabgrass in it, it's a great product. So I would recommend these two products here. Next, I have the Ortho Weed Be Gone. This product also kills crabgrass, also kills crabgrass, dandelions, and other types of weeds also. But this is the formula that basically it specifies. See, like I said, crabgrass is one of those weeds where it's a pest. It's horrible. Once the weeds get into the lawn, like that crabgrass, it's hard. It gets into that final stage where it becomes full bloom, and it's terrible. It's an eyesore to your lawn, and it's nothing you really want to deal with. So this one is a hose connected bottle. You hook your hose up there, and then you just basically spray your lawn with a sweeping motion back and forth like I'm showing you here. This product doesn't kill nut sedge, so this product wouldn't really be compared to these two other products here, but this is still a great product. Now, as you know, these formulas and these products here have different active ingredients. Some are stronger than others. That's where you will see certain results in a certain amount of time. So that's the difference between these products. You might get something with a higher concentrate in killing the crabgrass, or one that has a higher concentrate of formula killing nut sedge. So that's where these products come into place at. Now it's all about your personal preference, whether you want to pay maybe $6 all the way up to about $14 to $15. So next, I have the season long weed control. This one is by Bayer. This is another great product, but see, this product here, unlike these other three that I just showed you, this product doesn't kill crabgrass or the nut sedge, but this product specializes in killing and preventing weeds up to 6 months. So one application of this can kill weeds up to 6 months. Now, unlike these other three products here, they won't kill weeds and stuff up to 6 months. They're like basically you get on a schedule with those three products. Not saying that you don't get on a schedule with this one, because you're still going to have to get on a schedule with it. But it's saying that the active ingredients in there will fight weeds up to 6 months. That's a very good, but it's also a bad, because if you also plan to maybe plant grass seeds within that time, you wouldn't want to use a product like this that's going to kill off weeds and stuff for 6 months, because it also will possibly fight off your grass seeds germinating. So you wouldn't really want to use this product unless your lawn is at its full grown stage, where you ain't going to do any other maybe planting seeds or like something of that nature. But this is a great product. But this product here doesn't kill the crabgrass and the yellow nut sedge as those other three I just showed you. This product also comes in another form. It comes in that hose connected sprayer, where you can just connect it to your hose and spray it. This is the concentrated formula, so you're going to need a pump sprayer for this one. Okay, this is the basic Spectracide weed stop for lawns here. This formula is your basic weed killer, as in dandelions, clovers, plantain, henbit. It kills over 200 plus types of weeds. This one would be different than the other product they offer with the orange top. That's how you know the difference between the two. One is the yellow top, one is the orange top. The orange top lets you know that this kills yellow nut sedge and crabgrass. This one doesn't. But this one may be better, and you might see faster results on the basic weeds like the clovers, like I said, and the and the dandelions. That's where this one will come into play. But a lot of people would prefer this product because it kills the nutsedge and the crabgrass. But if you don't have the yellow nutsedge and the crabgrass, then all you need is the basic product. And so this one is basically the concentrated formula. This bottle says it kills up to 16,000 square feet. So I don't really know why. Maybe the formula is actually stronger in this bottle here, because this one says it only kills 5,000 square feet. So as you can see, there is a difference, I'm guessing, because this one is just your basic weed killer. So you probably be able to this product will go further than this product here for just the basic weeds. So this product is also cheaper than this product. So that's the difference. So if you want to save money here, and maybe you don't need the nutsedge killer and the crabgrass killer, you can pick up this product. Okay, last but not least, Ortho Weed Be Gone. This is also the yellow top. This is their basic weed killer. This one kills same thing as the spectricide, like dandelions, clovers, and stuff of that nature. Those are basically the everyday weeds that you see in the lawns. That's what this one kills. It's basically comparable to this product, but this is Ortho. This product here is also their basic formula. As you can see, they have the orange top that lets you know, once again, that it kills crabgrass. This is the basic formula. It doesn't kill crabgrass or anything of that nature. It's just the basic weed killer. This one will actually probably kill the basic weeds faster than this the orange top, because that's what it specializes in. The basic weed killer, that's the crabgrass killer. So you might find faster results killing the basic weed lawns with that one. So overall, my purpose of this video was to show you guys all of these products that you can actually buy from a big box store of anything like a Ace Hardware, anything. You might go into those stores and find these products here, the everyday products as I call them, on the shelves, that you can fight off weeds. You don't really need to spend top dollars on the professional grade stuff. Some people can't even access the professional grade stuff. Sometimes the state laws are different. So I know of my state here, you can pretty much get all the type of weed killer stuff, professional grade stuff, all you want. But I choose not to. I'm not going to spend hundreds of dollars on just a professional grade product when you can use these on the shelf type of products, as I call them, as long as you use them and you keep up with what you're doing. So if you spray, you get on a schedule. You spray your crabgrass and weed killer maybe today, then maybe in three weeks or 4 weeks, whatever the bottle says, you go back and you reapply it, and you reapply it maybe a third time. I think some of these products can be applied up to 3 times in 1 year or a season like that to help you fight off the weeds. But you basically, that's what I'm saying, you basically can use these products here, that on the shelf products, to fight off weeds. You don't really need to spend top dollars. Everybody doesn't have big money to spend on basically keeping their lawn up. If you're a DIY person, you know, these are the products that you'll pretty much use to keep your yard in good shape. No yard is 100% weed free. You're gonna always have some pesky weeds that just won't die, and then that's when you probably would just go ahead and dig them out by hand. And then if you apply your pre-emergent and your post-emergent like you're supposed to, then you go around and spot spray, or maybe blanket spray once and then spot spray afterwards, and but you stay on top of it. But these are the products that you will use. Me personally, I like to use my pump sprayer, so I don't really like to use these hose connected sprayers too much. I like to just spray the weeds and make my own concentrate, and make my own solution. That's just personal preference. I'm not saying that it works better than the hose connected sprayer, but that's just my personal preference. I like to walk around my yard and spray it. And as you can see, if you go back to my previous videos, and you see I just did a lawn renovation, so more than likely I'm going to use these products on fighting off the weeds for the year. So, but these are the products that you're going to find in your everyday store, and you may find them cheaper. I'll make another video on how I got all of these products for a certain amount of price. It's nothing special, but I'm just saying that my stores were clearancing down a lot of these products, so, and that's when I just go in and I buy them. But I'll make a video on that at a different date. Just want to explain the everyday products. These are all the everyday products that you will see. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any comments, any feedback, anything you want to know about the product, you can just comment. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you like my content, subscribe. But I got more content coming. Different. It's gonna be a hell of a year. I got a lot more work to do that I want to show you guys, and I hope you appreciate it. So but you can just take a look at the products here that I have, and I'll see you in another video.